Okay, here we are, Potter's Journal.
Swinging around.
And Eddie's Pottery is here. I don't know what he's got in his box, if this is show and tell from things he's collected on his travels or what.
Remember me telling you about
clay cutter? Yes, I do.
Okay, if you buy a block of clay, that is that dimension.
Yeah.
You take
standard ceramics clay comes in a block just like that.
And what that'll do is you take it. It's a cheese slicer.
Yeah.
That's all it is. Like a cheese slicer. So, and then you can take this. This is another cheese slicer, a clay cutter.
Well, this is some real custom work here. You know, I have to tell you, when I was doing the pipe sculpture workshop, there were two ladies that took it. I don't remember which one it was. They brought in a huge amount of tools. And when they were taking the workshop, they bought tools. They went to the hardware. They went to Walmart. They even went to the foundry at the plant and had them custom make them tools.
Okay.
When it came time to leave the workshop, they could not get all their tools in the car or in the van. I got some of their tools left behind. I'm still using their ladder, a drill, and I don't know how many other tools. So there are a lot of gadget people, and this is one of the slickest looking, well-made gadgets I have seen.
Well, this one here is even going to surprise you even a little bit more. This one here, if you look at the end of this, that right there says 12 ounces. So that means it will cut, if you slice the block, and then take the 3x3 piece off of it, and then take this here, and then slice that one block part of it, you'll have, that'll be 12 ounce slices. And now, and that's on that side. If you take that one off, you take this one off of this, and then put this one on there.
Okay.
This is your 1 pound size.
Oh, look at that.
So you can have, and then you'll have to string this one on it because the monofilament wires, whatever you want to call it, it's all a different length. So this is what I brought you. That way you can actually make a whole bunch of pieces with, with very minimal effort. And a whole bunch of them all at the same time. I think this will make 16 pieces or 12, 14, something like that. What, 1, 2, 3?
Well, when I sit down and throw, I like to make a board.
Well, okay, you're going to make 11 of them on that one. There. This one here, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That'd be eight 1 pound pieces. And also, if you can take it and put 2 of them together.
Okay.
And that way, it's a 2 pound piece, or double the amount of ounces on that.
Okay, well, you're always doing great stuff. Always innovating some new engineering, some new project.
Actually, Bill Van Gilder, if you've ever seen his videos, he makes clay cutters for himself. Okay. And I modified what he did because I wanted it. I can make one of these frames, and then double the amount of different, or I can make it cut 2 different types of weight, and these will come out very accurate.
Well, I think everybody now will be waiting for your Etsy site to sell all the stuff.
Oh, you're funny, man.
The clay cutters. You've done bats. You've done.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what else.
I've done a lot more that I don't even talk about.
Yeah.
All right. I don't know if you've. Let's see here. That's Pennsylvania.
Okay.
So,
this is. Something you've collected along the way, and
when you open that up, you tell me what it is.
Okay.
So.
Okay, so I take it you like the AAA maps better than the one you get from the state.
Well, no, I got that at the rest stop.
Oh, okay. Bubble, bubble, bubble. You know, I've got a pair of scissors right here. The bubble wrap.
Yeah, you talked about trading some stuff, so.
Okay, this is it. This is the piece. This is the one I wanted. Look at that.
That doggone thing. That thing is that's a piece only a mother would love. I'm gonna tell you what.
Oh, you've got your stamp on the bottom, Eddie Goller original from Eddie's Pottery, Illinois. You know, I don't think anybody could do these quite like you do.
Well, sometimes I wonder, you know.
Now, okay.
Poor thing looks so homely.
Is this, because I know you sometimes dig your own clay.
Yeah.
Is this your clay or commercial clay? Whose clay is this?
Let me see, that came from up by Chicago, Illinois. Elgin, Illinois. It was from a distributor up there.
Okay.
Stoneware.
And the glaze?
That is a matte satin.
So is that something
you
mixed up yourself?
Yes.
Or, okay.
Yeah, it's something I mixed. It's a matte satin glaze that I made.
Okay. And you got just the right amount of it on the bottom too. What is that? Wait, what is that glaze on the bottom, or is that clay on the bottom?
That's glaze. That's glaze.
Okay.
Yeah, that's glaze. So.
And how come it doesn't stick to the shelf? Was there?
Don't ask me.
Okay. Well, you know.
Okay. I make the little pottery little tiles. I make the glaze tiles so that they don't stick to the shelf.
Okay.
So,
I know you collect a lot of jugs, and just for show and tell, I wanted to show you a few of the things I collected over the years. And I know you visit a lot of potteries. Have you ever been to Jugtown Pottery?
I have not. I've owned some Jugtown Pottery.
Okay, because this is a Jugtown piece I picked up when I was there in probably around 80-something. I don't see a date on the bottom. But you would like visiting Seagrove, because this is another Seagrove potter. And I don't know who this is. If it looks like Graham, and that was, 1990. I didn't pick this up when I was there. I must have got it at a yard sale somewhere.
Okay. But no.
So I can set this next to some of my other YouTube potters. I've got a Janice the Potter piece that I collected this year.
Yeah.
So you're right there now with some of my favorite YouTube potters. A Lee Bass piece.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I talk to Lee all the time.
Okay, and you've got one of his pieces.
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I do have one of his pieces.
Yeah. And you were in now this, I got at a yard sale this past year, and you could barely make out the name in it. But I picked out some of it, and I did discover who it was on YouTube. But you were in the antique business for a while, weren't you? Or a long time?
25 years.
So I'm assuming that although this is a new piece, you've seen a lot of the old pieces, the crocks and jugs that collectible. I'm assuming you have over the years.
Well, I bought and sold a lot of pottery.
Yeah.
A lot of pottery.
Yeah.
So, but no, now I just kind of enjoy making things.
I am not one much for gizmos and gadgets. I tried to tell Eddie that, but his passion for these things is infectious. It cost me dearly. I'm not used to spending money on tools. I use just the very basics. So yeah, he convinced me to make a trade. And I'm sitting here, but after seeing Simon Leach use it, another one who I thought was not much for gizmos and gadgets, I'm going to give this thing a try here. We'll see how it works. This is a block of clay from Standard Ceramics, and as I did explain, that they don't come out. I think this is more suited and great for the extruder and the pug mill. But this, because, yeah, no matter what, the square blocks of clay are not square. So here we go. This thing has never been used. And look at that. It is magic. Oh, wow. This is great. So we need to, I guess, pick it up before, or turn it over to get it out. Now turn it the other way. And here we go again. Let's see. Okay, and this is where I guess you would need to go like that and bring it down all the way through. And actually, this does work perfect for me. I've noticed that the blocks of clay sometimes are wetter on one side as they sit and settle, and drier on the other. Some people will wedge them. Some people will put them through a machine or pug mill. But, and I think somebody even had a method of, I don't know, throwing it down on several sides and saying that that evened it out. But what I do is, okay, I will take the bits of clay from, okay, the drier side, and then as I'm weighing it out to get the whatever size we're trying to get, add bits from the wetter side. And in the end, it all evens out. Okay, so I didn't know what I was going to do with the thing, but this will look great hanging on the wall. Another piece of specialized equipment. Everybody will say, wow, he's really got the stuff for doing this. He shows exactly how to make these on his channel. But I think he better hurry up and get the patent for it. Isn't that slick? Okay, like radish roses. And here's where our innovator engineer's gadget is the most adaptable to the extruded pug milled clay, where you will get out the blocks to an exact measurement. Okay, so here we go. What do we got? 15? 15? 15? Is this patented? Are you making these for us all to buy? Or do we have to catch up with Simon to see if he'll do it for us?